And you guys ever seen a spark plug that looks like this? That is just plain old cool. So the actual end of the lead plugs right into the spark plug. That interesting plug came with a couple of saws that I got from a friend of mine last night. So we've got this here Super XL, which I got the plug out because we got no spark and plug it to clean points. So this saw is probably late 60s. This here XL12, I haven't checked the serial number on it. It's a later electronic ignition saw. I've had it fired on primes, so carb kit fuel line. And then this guy, Pioneer P50, 83cc, case reed. There was some other interesting stuff too. So this is my 371 cylinder. Those are 3120. Just a little bit bigger.